Hello, I'm Joyce Rossen, a certified counselor, and this is your Healthy Minute for today. We have a tendency to catastrophize, to receive bad news, and concoct worst-case scenarios in our minds. Hearing about the coronavirus, you start to think, what if I end up in the hospital, or lose my job, or my business? What if it closes? Our minds are like that. They're like a threat detection system. But it's really important to be able to use that power in a constructive way. Jot down your worst fears about the future and address them one by one. Discuss them with someone you trust. This can help you form strategies for how to deal with each one realistically. What you don't want to do is get stuck in that mode of thinking about this and obsessing about it. May God bless you in this.